Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to move apps data internal storage to SD card. So let's start. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open your Android mobile phone and go to your settings and drop down and click on a developer options. If your developer option is not available on your device, then click on a about phone and click on a software information and press a 7 times build number. When you press a build number in 7 times, then software developer is unable. After unable a developer options, click on a developer options and drop down and click on a force allow apps on external. So it's click on a and enable force allow apps on external. After that go back and find out a app or applications. After that simply click on a application which is want to move internal storage to SD card. So after that simply click on a storage and click on a change option. Now it's a in device memory and this is a name of a SD card. If you are not set any name to SD card, then it's show a SD card. So simply click on SD card and after that it's all moved to SD card. So simply click on a move button and these all data move to SD card. So at this time I don't want to change it. So this is a method to which is to move a application into internal storage to SD card. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.